anymore. It's super boring. Let's see what else I've got. Meh, nothing exciting. I wish I had something more unusual. Ah, wait, is this thing even real? Well. What are you? Ha! I got it! It's a giant pencil! Awesome! Sue, where did it come from?
Oh, Sammy, it's just me making huge stationery items.
Wow, it sounds cool. Ah!
Oops, sorry. Do you maybe want to go craft together?
Sure thing. I want to know how to turn such a teeny tiny pencil into that huge giant.
Do you want to know that too, friends? Then let's get started. So first of all, we need to paint this cardboard roll. Sammy?
I'm here, Susie. That's the task for Sam, the painter, and his assistant. Ken, hurry up. We're needed here.
Duh, I'm coming. No need to yell that loud.
Okay, Susie. The pink team has arrived to do their job.
Are you sure?
Of course I am. Give it to me. Ugh, it's kind of heavy.
Sam, I'm here!
Ken, finally.
What? Did you think I'd run off?
Well, you could, you know. Anyway, let's get down to work.
Sammy, look! I found a better brush! Ouch! Ouch! What are you doing? Please, try to be more careful! Sammy, you are painting me!
Huh? Oh, come on. Those tiny splashes are barely visible. Better go up there to paint the very top.
Well, I hope they'll figure it out somehow. In the meantime, it's time to make the tip of the crayon. And to do that, we need a cup like this and some orange paint. I've already prepared this piece from polystyrene, and now I'll just fix everything together with some glue.
Alrighty, this part's done. Oh, where's Ken again?
I'm here, help me! Sammy, I can't get down from here. I'm scared. Please help me.
Shiver me, Cheddars. Ken is so brave to get so high. But what should I do? Wait, don't go anywhere.
Whoa, seriously? Sammy, please hurry. I can't hold on anymore.
Huh? Wait. Oh, come on. Ken, you're like 2 centimeters above ground. Just jump.
Huh? No way. Oh, Sammy, you saved my life. Thank you, buddy.
Anytime. And by the way, great job with painting this thing.
So, this is the writing tip of our crayon, and this one will go... What's going on?
Crayon is on the loose.
Yay!
Sue, catch it.
Don't worry, I've got it. And great job, guys. Although, this isn't exactly what we need yet.
Huh? What does she mean? I don't get it.
How can you say so? Did I climb that high for nothing?
No.
Huh?
I didn't mean it like that. I just meant that we also need inscriptions. Here, let me just put everything together. And this is the cover with the inscriptions. See?
So, this is what a baby crayon looks like? Huh? Let's compare them.
Okay, look at its big sibling. They're so similar. Let's try it out now.
Sue, let's bet on 10 sweets you won't be able to make a giant version of this pencil.
10 sweets, huh? Count me in. Let's see. We need to make the main piece and the tips. No biggie. Let's get down to business. Luckily, I already have the main piece ready.
Hey, hold on a second. I don't get it. When did you make such a huge thing? Where was I? Was I sleeping? This way we're gonna lose, Ken. Outrageous. It's cheating.
No cheating, Sammy. I promise. Just good time management.
Sue, here's the thing. We haven't found 10 sweets. How about this cake instead? Will it do?
Wow. Of course it'll do. But if you help me with this craft, I'll even share this cake with you. What do you say?
Huh. Are you being serious? Yay!
Alrighty, I'm gonna make the pencil tip now. First, we need to fold each of these pieces this way. It'll help them stick together. A few drops of glue, and this is what we get.
I knew it. While Ken and I are working hard, you're making some fan or something. You're having fun, and we're doing all the work? Not fair!
Excuse me? This is not a fan. It's the tip for our giant pencil. We just need to fold it like this. See?
Oh, oopsie! I got it all wrong. Anyway, we're almost done too. I'll show you what we've made so far.
Go ahead. So guys, I've inserted a regular pencil inside the tip. And now, let's attach it to the body of the giant pencil.
Hey, Sue! Check out this delivery!
Sammy, it's awesome! It's just what we need to make our pencil look more real. Wow! Look at this, guys! Doesn't it look amazing?
Wait, Sue! How about the eraser part? See? Our pencil should have it, but how should we make it?
Good point, Sammy. How could I forget about this part? But don't worry, we can easily fix it. And the final touch? Ta-da! Well, do you like it more now?
Wow, Sue, it's fantastic and looks so real. What are we gonna do next?
Next? How about… Huh?
Guys, help! Help me, please!
Calm down!
Ken, what's happened?
You have to come with me.
Be right back, Sue.
Okay.
Well, Ken, what's going on?
All right, so everything started as usual. Nothing seemed off. I was working on the first piece for the next craft like Sue asked me to when suddenly an inspector came.
All right, that's painted check.
Then I prepared another piece. Sue said it was important too.
Let me see. Yes, it is also ready for use. Please, keep going.
The most terrible thing happened. I couldn't put it all together.
I see. You are coming with me.
Wow, Ken did an awesome job. He crafted all the pieces for our next craft. Let's put them together.
Calm down, buddy. I'm sure Sue will. Huh? Sue, did you figure out how to do that?
Of course. It's easier than easy. If you want to learn how to do it, watch me carefully. Here we go. Now, we need to wrap this around with a piece of purple paper, like this. Next, we'll attach it to the main part. Now, the cover. Look how pretty it is. We also need to make the marker lid. I've already prepared the main piece. Here it is. I only need to attach this black stripe. And done. Let's check if it fits. Awesome!
Wow, Sue, it looks so cool. I like this craft the most so far. Wait, but will it write like a real marker?
Of course it will. Let me show you. Friends, if you like our giant marker, give this video a like.
Wow, bravo!
Well done, Sue. Ken, have you remembered everything? Then let's make a giant pen.
Huh? A pen?
Well, if Sam wants a pen, he'll get a pen.
It's so heavy. Sue, can you help me with this, please?
Sure thing.
Phew, thanks.
We need to wrap it in pink paper.
This is much better when we do it together.
Hey, what's going on here? Are you being friends without me?
Aw, don't get upset. You can help us and bring some candy.
Oh, that I can do.
Well, I finished with the barrel of the pen. Now, I need to make the tips. Our pen won't write without an ink reservoir. I'll fix it in this position. And finally, it goes into its place.
The size seems to be just right. Sue, bring it on. All right, perfect. It fits.
Well, guys, what do you think of my candy truck?
Wow! Sammy, this is great! Everything goes here. And now let's assemble our pen.
No! Sue, what have you done? The sweets are trap now! Oh, what do we do? How can we save these sweets?
Don't worry, Sammy. I put a few aside for you.
My poor candy. Huh? Wow, that's much better.
Here comes the handle. And finally, a cute tip. That's what we've got. Looks so sweet.
Wow, it's the cutest pen I've ever seen!
We've made every stationery item possible.
Nope, we don't have what we can write on. Let's make giant Post-its. I've got some sheets of colored paper we can use.
Giant Post-its? Wow, that's lit.
So, guys, are you ready to check everything out again?
Yay!
We're super ready.
Where did Sue put that giant candy pen? I can't find it. Maybe here? Nope. Sue, how can you hide stuff so well? Huh?
Sammy, hey! I found some candy! They're all over here! Climb up and hurry up, buddy!
Oh, here it is. I must admit, it's a good hiding place. Wow, there are so many sweets here.
Well, well, well. What are you two doing over there?
Oh, Susie, nothing special.
Just looking for sweets.
Seriously, Ken? Yes, we're looking for sweets. And,
But why didn't you just ask me? I've got a few left.
wow, give them to me, please. I want them all. We'll have a feast today. Yay!
Well, this is it for today, friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye!
Yeah, and don't forget to like this video. Bye!